to take the support of what? Admin server and admin client. We need to take the support of admin server and admin client. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay, see guys, multiple microservices are the admin clients connected to admin server. How does they become admin client? By adding admin client starter to microservices. How does it becomes admin server? By creating Spring Boot project by adding what? Admin server starter. And here is what? Web GUI. Web UI. What is this? Web UI. You will get all GUI actuators are not there. To make my to make the microservices as clients to admin server, we must add admin client starter to what? MS project. And how to create admin server project? Take a micro Spring starter project adding admin server, guys. Okay. Instead of getting actuators info about each MS, each instance of MS separately, we can get the same information about all MSs and instance of MSs from single place called Web UI through what? Admin server support. Web UI gets actuators info from each MS or each instance of MS separately. Only the thing is, only thing is, Spring Boot admin server acts as what? Proxy collecting that information and giving to what? Web UI. An example application. Create Eureka server. All things are same. Only admin server creation is bit extra, guys. Remaining all our old and boring things are not there, guys. So I'll take a copy of previous project. Already 4 projects are there. Come on. I will add one more project, admin server. But this time my focus is not on config server. My focus is on what? Admin server. Okay. How to create admin server, guys? Enable admin server on the main class, web and admin server, because we need a GUI, na? That's why web is required. And port number is your choice, guys. Any port number you can take. Port number is your choice. Any port number you can take. Run the admin server project. That's good. Now listen. Develop the one microservice taking admin server, nothing but admin client. Take the right. Okay. Make sure that these microservices are already added with what? Spring Boot actuators. Actuator starter is also required. Make sure that following property is added. Spring dot boot dot admin dot version. Array, yeah, in where Java version is there, na, there you have to add one extra property called what? Version of that one. It is must, guys. It is must. It is no way related to current Spring Boot version. It is related to admin server version. It's related to what? Admin server version. After that, you activate all actuators. Okay. Then you write a URL to connect to admin server. You write a URL to connect to what? Admin server. Fine. Okay. See guys, see servers are coming just like in-memory servers, Rabab. No need of a separate installation and extra installations. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on. Definitely an interesting aspect or not there. One, two, three, four. Two, three, four. Projects are closed. You closed, my dear. 7 also closed. If you close everything, Auto will work. Waste fellow. Open. I think I have to open one by one, it says. Eureka server action. Only 2 are closed, by mistake. Open project. Again, what? Open project. Copy this, paste it. What is this guy is 8. 7 or 8? Yeah, we'll first let me get the copies, Raghav. 8. Let me get one more thing, 8. Okay. Yeah. Right now, focus is not on actuators. Okay, actuator. Achha, why I'm wasting time? Already actuators there, na? That only we can make admin server. Fine. Happened is happened. Okay, let's go for actuator. Admin client. All these are admin clients, na boss. Yeah, tell me. Admin client. Actuators. What is there? Admin. Next. Actuators. Admin client. I'll touch them later. Okay, first let me develop the admin server. A new project. Spring Starter project. Guys. Me when jar, all this fine. Boot MS pros, how much? 8. Boot MS pros 08. Admin server. Say next. What's there, guys? Say next. Tell me. Actuator. No. Okay, fine. Not required. Understood. Admin server. Admin server. Yeah, we need to add Spring Web or not there. We need to add Spring Web also. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Say finish. Hmm. That's good. Say next. Say finish. Where is admin server, guys? Here is admin server. Yeah. First, what is the one I have to add? At the rate enable admin server. At the rate enable admin server. That's good. Resources. Admin server port number. Admin server port. Yeah, admin server port. Server dot port. Any number you can take, Rabab. 9091 I am using for microservice, na 9090. Yeah, billing MS I am using 9091. Okay, let's take 9000. Let's take 9000, not even this. Admin server is ready. Fine. Now I have to make all microservices as admin clients. Okay. Number 8, billing, boot MS. Number 8, boot RS. Take me next one. Where is this, guys? Spring. Add starters. What starters? Add starters. Tell me next one. Admin client. Select pom.xml finish. Shopping client. This one. Add starters. admin client. Say next. Select to pom.xml finish. Select to pom.xml. Admin clients are ready. But we have to connect both microservices to whom? 1 minute. Before that, one challenging is when you add admin client while creating project, this headache is not there, guys. But here properties are coming. No properties. Yeah. Admin client 3.4.5. Let's try with what? 3.5.0. It's coming. When you add automatically, this is coming or not there. Okay, that's good. Go to resources, application.properties. Okay, these you keep as it is, Rababu. That's not a big issue. Connected to admin server. Connected to admin server. Yeah, what is the key we have to use, guys? spring.boot.admin.client.url. spring.boot.admin dot what dot client.url is equal to http colon slash slash. What is there? http colon slash slash. Yeah. Application dot properties. Yeah. Tell me. Local host. What is there? Local host. What's the port number? 9 double all zeros, right? Yes. And make sure that all actuators are in active mode, guys. All actuators are in active mode. Yeah, star. Okay. Access unrestricted. Access unrestricted. Everything is in active mode now, boss. Endpoint.health is enabled. This is enabled. Environment also what? Unrestricted. Shutdown unrestricted. Fine. Everything is in active mode now, boss. Fine. Okay. 1 minute, guys. This part, everything let me streamline. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste it. No, base path I don't want to change, guys. I don't want to change the base path of URL. Let it be. Paste. Perfect or not there. Client.url, what is there? 90,000. Yeah. I think same thing I have to do in shopping MS microservice also. Just seeing involving yourself. Just seeing the screen, are you involving yourself? I hope you are involving yourself, right? Okay. Shopping MS. I think admin client starter is not added, it seems. Let me add, boss. Already added. Sure. Admin client not added, waste fellows. Shopping MS not added. Target MS we have added. Yeah, this is added, guys. Go to pom.xml. Admin client version came automatically. Yes, came. That's good. Now tell me resources, application dot properties. Okay. Remaining everything is done. Connected to admin client, all this stuff. Admin client starters are added. So we are ready with the setup now, right, boss? Hmm. Okay. No, already four projects are there. Now it has become five projects. One Eureka server, one config server, two microservices, one admin server. Okay, one admin server, right? Tell me here, where is the story? Where is the story, my dear? Come on. Hmm. Okay, where is the story, my dear? I want reply, my dear guys. Yeah. Yeah, let's start. I think after that, you just need to start the server, nothing else. Eureka, admin, MS1, MS2. In our case, config is also there. I'm not leaving the previous things. I'm also continuing that, right? Yes. Yeah, first, what is there? 8 series Eureka server. 8 series Eureka server. 1 minute. It's always good to close remaining things, otherwise, we confuse ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 13, 14. Close projects. What is there? Close projects. Okay, 5 projects, guys. First, let us start admin server. Right click, 1 minute. Anyhow, we are starting now. Let's change the project number. Okay. Save first. Yeah. Eureka server started. Save OK. Next, what is there? Config server. 08 config server. Say next, say next, say finish. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, then let's start admin server. Array, without server, if you start admin client, it will be problem or not. Run as Java application. That's good. See, entire time wasted in starting servers only, because microservices, na boss. Then you'll understand importance of Jenkins. Yes, if you go to Jenkins, you just click on one button or periodically auto collects all the projects wares, deploys all the projects wares. Build-in automation importance you'll understand there. 1, 2 projects are there. What is there we can do like this? But 100 projects are there, and every time me starting everything is meaningless, right? At least you realize the importance of Jenkins after by seeing multiple projects running now. Yeah, tell me next one. Where is this? Procedure is still same because we say star dot var. Star dot var means what? Only the thing is multiple projects URLs you have to mention. Yeah, tell me next one. Config server story. That is done. Target MS. Target MS. Say next. Say next. Say finish. Say next, next, finish. Next, next, finish. Exception came. How come? Restarted main. It won't end. Uh, because of dev tool. Then also, boss. Okay, fine. It's coming. It's working now. Yeah, shopping MS. 08. Say next. Say finish. Run as Java application. All of them coming, guys. See the active applications count. See the active applications count. 9091 means what? Admin server port number, guys. What is this? Admin server port. What is this? Admin server port. Super, guys. Tell me here, what is the story? Natras, this. Tell me. HTTP localhost. What is there? 9000. Enter key. All up. Coming. Okay, we got both microservice details are not there. Yeah, you click on this, guys. Error. How come? How come error, Baba? I should not get any error there. 8081. What's happening? Applications are coming, but why it is not able? 9092 port number is not there. Is there? Requested resource not found. Did I not add actuators? Added. Web starter is not there. Not there. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. Go to admin server. This. Open its pom.xml properties. Wait a minute. Admin server version 3.5.0. 1 minute, guys. Let's stop. Again, I feel problem with version only. I strongly believe problem is with what? Version only. I'll do one thing. 3.4.5. 3.4.5. That's good. Is there any possibility this keeps being asked in the interview? Why they will ask Akish Patel? Why they will ask? They don't ask keys. If they ask also, you don't tell. Okay. See, you need not to tell complete key name, but at least last words, exclude, include, enabled, enable. Those things you should tell because you worked on those microservices every day. If not complete key, at least few things will be remembered or not there. You try, strike it, tell. If not strike it, tell the off keys. If still not strike out, or something is there, we generally take the support of AI tools or chat GPT. It's impossible to remember, guys. Okay. Hmm. Interview is not API knowledge testing, right? Interview is what? Conceptual knowledge testing. They give, this is the scenario, what you will use. Config server. This is the scenario, what you will use. Admin server. Or they say, they give only topic and tell what is the purpose of it. Scenario, you will ask to choose the topic. Topic, you tell the purpose of topic. This is conceptual testing. Yeah, go to admin server version I changed, guys. Shopping MS, pom.xml, 3.4.5. 3.4.5. That's good. Tell me. Billing MS, pom.xml. Billing MS, pom.xml. Where is this, guys? 3.4.5. 3.4.5, guys. That's great. Admin server port number. Whenever we do change, this has to be changed to HTTP or not there. That has to be changed to HTTP. That's fine. Okay. Now let's focus. First, what server? Eureka server. Eureka server application. Java application, Eureka server application. Yeah, done. Next, config server. Right click, run as Java application. Next, billing MS. Admin server. Let me start the admin server. Right click, run as Java application. Yeah, tell me next one. Billing MS, guys. Already started. Config server 3. I think 3 are already started, guys. Already started. Billing MS. Right click, run as Java application. Shopping MS. And I should get the GUI, guys, nothing else. I actually to test all the actuators of the microservices. Say refresh. The URL is what? Applications. Here, what is the URL? Applications. Fine. Oh, previously started instances are not there. How come? Yeah, now we got the GUI, the version problem. We got the GUI are not there. Okay, how can you go for it? Details. These are the basic details, guys. Okay, info. No info is provided. Okay, this is billing MS info. Health. Health related information are not there. All the information about health is given and a live graph is going on. Garbage collection pauses. processes, everything is coming nicely, boss. Basic information is coming or not there. Here, basic information, instance of this one. Okay, information. Both the details are coming, guys. Info not provided, start up this. Okay, that's fine. This is insights. Metrics. You can select the property, boss. You can disk dot free. Disk dot free. For which one? Billing MS only. Add metric. So that one, that value is coming or not there. You can add one more property. What is there? HTTP server request. For which method? Get method. For which you no error. For which URI? For which URI? For which URI you want to get? Okay, for info URL, how many requests has come? Success. Status 200. Okay, just add metric. Okay, for that URL, how many requests has come? That will come. Count is integer. Max time is also I want to say as integer. Okay, integer. All the things are going to come or not there. Like this, we can get each information or not there. Environment. Environment of the project. Environment of the project. Every information about that project. Next, beans. All spring beans information is coming or not there. Same thing, guys, but this is good or that is good, guys? Huh? Open your mouth and tell me this is good or that is good. Definitely, GUNS is good, right? You want heroine with makeup or without makeup? Are in the movies, not outside, Babu. Who will come to you, worst fellows? On your head, if I keep 1,000 rupees, no one will purchase you for 100 rupees also, right? Ah. So in on screen, you want to see hero heroines with makeup or without makeup? Ah. With GUI means this one. Ah. Config properties. All the details are coming or not. Conditions. Scheduled task. Okay, only one method is having scheduled task. That is coming or not there. Dependencies. That is a category name, guys. Dependencies is category name. Dependencies, dependency trees. Dependency trees. Loggers. Are logger information is coming or not there. This package, this logger, this package, this logger. If you want, you can change also. Interesting is what? Default is that if you want, you can change. It will reflect in application execution. Okay. JVM information. Various related to JVM, memory related information, Rabab. The memory related information, right? Thread dump. Thread dump. Here is thread dump. Here is heap dump. Heap dump may contain sensitive data. Please handle with care. Heap dump may be expensive in terms of CPU disk space. Okay, that's fine. Any caches are configured? No. All mappings information is coming or not there. Okay, not only this was Spring Boot admin. Wallboard. Wallboard means this kind of thing. Okay. Shopping cart MS. Same information for shopping cart, application, wallboard, admin. Okay. All these are coming or not there, guys. You can start the MS, you can stop the MS from here or not there. Okay. Yeah. So just follow that version change, guys. It's happily working. If you don't go for version change, it's not working. Everything is explained nicely here. You got the idea how to work with admin server? Okay, now time has come to go for next topic, circuit breaker. What is that? Circuit breaker. Yeah, how to deal with this circuit breaker, guys? That's a $1 billion question or not there, guys? How to deal with this circuit breaker? Failure percentage, I have chosen 60%. Out of 100 requests, if 60 requests are failuring, you go for it. But how many requests to test are? That also we decide. That also will decide. Minimum request count is what? 10 you have taken. In that one, 60% failure means 6 failed. Then circuit breaker comes into picture, which keeps what? Destination microservice in stopped mode and does not allow you request going to what? Destination MS from source MS. Circuit on means communication on. Circuit broken means communication is not on. Circuit breaker is like smart MCB that you kept in your room, in your home. Smart MCB that you kept in your home. Smart MCB means what? It can take decision on its own. You install smart MCB. Okay, na? What it will do? Fall fluctuation came. It will cut the power, right? Since it is a smart MCB, it has to be on immediately. Come on, guys. Since it's a smart MCB, it keeps the buffer time or threshold time 1 minute. Right, boss? Within 1 minute, whatever request comes, whatever power surges comes, it will cut down. It will not think about it. After 1 minute, it will try to switch on. What happened? Again, surge is going on. Surge means all of a sudden more power. Again, surge is going on. That means what? All of a sudden more power. Then what happened? Again, it will cut down or not there. Again, it will break down or not there, guys. Again, it will break down or not there, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Hmm. Again it will cut down. Again for 1 minute it won't take any power supply. After 1 minute again it will try attempts once. Success. No low power, normal power. It will allow the power supply. Again it will again threshold. What is that? Failure rate 50%. How much? In within 1 hour, multiple times more surge is coming. Then what happened? Again it will maintain. So circuit breaker is not just breaking circuit, it is bit intelligent, boss. Based on the parameter values we pass, and destination MS for certain amount of time. Source MS and destination MS not happening for what? Certain amount of time. Is it not interesting, my dear? Earlier, to implement the circuit breaker, we used to work with heat streak concept, heat streak, Netflix heat streak. But now that is outdated, boss. In that place, okay, resilience 4J has come. What has come? Resilience 4J has come. Using resilience 4J, we can bring that effect. Resilience 4J, we can bring it. Circuit 3 states, guys. Closed state. Source is communicating with the destination. Open state. Source is not communicating with the destination. Off open state. Okay. The wait period is completed. Come on, guys. Wait period is completed. Based on number of calls you have asked to test, it will test. It will test. Come on. At that time, that is in what? Off open state. It is a testing, guys. If success, again communication start. If not success, communication fails. I hope you thoroughly understood my statement, guys. Come on, everyone. Circuit breaker design pattern can be implemented using what? Each stick tool or API up to Spring Boot 2.x. Circuit breaker design pattern can be implemented using what? Resilience 4J tool or API from what? Spring Boot 3.x. Each stick support is removed from version Spring Boot 3.x. Clear, my dear? Yeah, here is my circuit breaker. UI passing to what? Shopping MS, trying to communicate with the billing MS, not possible. Suppose this is not there. When the microservices are in communication, there is a possibility of destination MS going down for certain amount of time. In that situation, following limitations may occur. What limitations, guys? Following limitations may occur. Okay. Sir, following limitations may occur. The request will keep going to down service, nothing but destination MS from the source MS or consumer MS, exhausting network resources and slowing the performance. Between two microservice, there is a chance of having network na boss. Though we know that is not there, but still sending request and getting error. Is there any fun, guys? Is there any fun, my dear? Come on. You know, opposite person won't respond. You'll call one time, two time, max four times. Then what you will do? It's better to ignore, right? At least for a few days. After a few days, again try one, two time. Connected, talk. Not connected, no, na, guys. Still not happening. Their karma, your karma. Enjoy. Who is responsible for someone's karma, right? No one is responsible, right, guys? Okay. Same concept here. The more you call, the less value you get. Maintain your dignity. Okay. No, I'm talking about microservices. Okay. The request will keep going to down service from the source MS or what? Consumer MS, exhausting the network resources and slowing down the performance. Right, guys. The user experience will be bad and unpredictable. User experience is bad and what? Unpredictable. Yeah, definitely. If I get technical error message, meaningless, na? See, are you ready to listen that statement? ग्राहक busy hai, ग्राहक busy hai, ग्राहक busy hai. Are grahak not answering? Is it a right message for you? It's not acceptable, right? Yeah. Are you ready to listen technical error message? No, you want at least non-technical error message. Okay. End user may get ugly message indicating exceptions raised by REST call where consumer MS calls provider MS. Fine. The failure of one MS can potentially cascade to what? Other services throughout application. And this will disturb whole application execution or not there. To solve these limitation, we need to use what? Circuit breaker design pattern. Circuit is on. Though destination up or down, circuit is on. You break the circuit. You break the circuit means no communication with the destination. Not permanently. If you do permanently, it's waste. And you take a gap. Maybe in microservices in what? Minutes. In real life, it should be days. Sometimes weeks. Understanding my statement, guys? This design pattern do not send every request coming to consumer MS to provider. When we know the what is that? Provider MS is down. That means after certain amount of initial failures, we need to make request that is coming to consumer MS, going to fallback method of the same consumer MS. Suppose you take 10 requests, in that one failure rate is 60%, I said. Okay, let us assume out of 10 requests, 6 requests are failed. Okay, 10 requests completed, in that one 4 are failed or 7 are, sorry, 6 are failed, 4 are success or 7 are failed, whatever it is. Then onwards, you open the circuit, don't send request going to destination MS. The request should come to fallback method of the source MS. where I can write a non-technical guiding message for certain amount of time. After that, one or two times we try to invoke provider MS. If again failure comes, we repeat the process until success arrives. Until success arrives in the MS communication. What is there? My consumer MS to destination MS. Circuit breaker keeps connection between source and destination MS in three modes. Closed mode. Course MS is seriously talking to what? Destination MS. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Opened mode. Source MS does not communicate with what? Destination MS. Rather executes the configured fallback method. Rather executes the configured callback method. Are you getting my point there? But the source MS try to call what? Destination MS for the given number of time to check whether destination MS is ready or not. What is there? Ready or not. Off open mode, nothing but guys. Okay. After a waiting period, it will check 1-2 times. That is called off open mode. What is that? See guys, closed mode. You are calling opposite person lifting, communication is happening. Few fights, few jokes. Okay. Whatever it is. It's smooth. Okay. Next, open mode. Open mode. Yeah, what is there? You reached that threshold period, threshold count. Out of 10 requests, minimum you tried, 6 are failed, threshold count is reached. Come on, guys. So circuit is open. Then what happened? Though you get the thought of calling someone, don't call. Try to do something in your what? Phone itself. Suppress your thought. That is what? Open mode. Off open mode. Or you kept waiting period of what? 1 day, 2 days. After 2 days, again you tried. How many times? 1-2 times. In off open mode, we don't try continuously. 1-2 times. Both failed. Okay, both failed. And then what happened? Again wait for one more time. Again both failed. Again wait for what? One more. But after some time you tried connected. Then communication starts. Communication starts means what? Again fighting, again sorry, happened is happened, past is past. Communication. Point there, guys. Okay, fine. And opposite people also intelligent people. They don't drag up to circuit open. They drag up to only off open mode only. Yes or no, guys? Right. Bihari is having so much experience, it seems. He connected somewhere. Yes, sir. Uh, I think Adib and you have seen much life compared to others. Fine. Right. Important parameters of circuit breaker configuration. Focus, Ra. Minimum number of calls. What is that? Minimum number of call. How many calls you want to give before opening the circuit? I kept the count at 10. Then failure rate threshold. This is percentage, guys. In 50%, default is 50%. Here default is 10. Okay, out of 10, 50% failed. 5 failed. Circuit opens, right? Waiting duration. So one circuit open, how much time? No communication with the destination MS. Only fallback method of source MS executes. Suppose 5 minutes. Right? Okay, once 5 minutes is completed, circuit goes to which state? Off open state. In how many number of calls you want to test in off open state? 2. Let us assume 2. 2 failed. Again, circuit goes to open state. Come on. One succeeded, no problem. One succeeded means circuit is closed. Circuit is closed means how are you? Where are you? What happened? This kind of conversation. Interesting or not there, guys? Okay. Don't connect personally. Stay in subject. I know everyone connects somewhere. Chota Villain, you also connected, huh? 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 You always get time, a circuit breaker open only. Huh? Right. After giving minimum number of calls, if failure count is above failure rate threshold percentage 10, in that one above 50% failed, then circuit will be opened and configured callback method execute. Fallback method execute. Fallback means same source MS for all the requests until waiting duration is not completed. Once waiting duration is completed, the circuit goes to what? Off open state. There, certain amount of calls will take place to check whether destination MS is ready or not. If ready, circuit closes. Communication happens. If not ready, circuit again goes to open state. Again, how much time? Waiting duration. If I take half an hour also, same point. Yes or no, na guys? Yeah. Look at the states, guys. Circuit closed state. Success. Then what happened? Calls the provider or destination MS operation are not there. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. If success comes, this. If failure comes, when circuit is closed mode, failure comes. Under threshold percentage, what is there, guys? Under threshold percentage, it will try to communicate with the destination since destination is not ready and failure rate threshold percentage is also not reached. And tell me what happened, guys. Tell me what happened, guys. Simply executes the fallback method or not there. Simply literally executes the fallback method or not there. Say something, my dear. I want reply, guys. So that means if destination MS is ready, happily communicates, gets the output. Not ready, not ready, but failure rate threshold is not reached, then it will happily execute fallback method to give exception related messages as non-technical guiding messages. Okay, when it is in open state, purely, what is there? Executes the fallback method for waiting duration. How much time? Waiting duration. Waiting duration is 20 minutes. Where the next to 20 minutes circuit is open. Whatever request comes to source will go to destination. But the destination is not ready. Fallback method of source MS only executes are not there. Waiting duration is completed, guys. Circuit goes to what mode, guys? Off open state. What state? Goes to which state, guys? Definitely goes to off open state. In off open state, how many requests are tested? I mentioned how many? Two. Two failed, no tension. Again goes to open state, old story continue. No, one failed, one succeeded. One succeeded, na, that is enough. Circuit goes to closed state. Happily communication with the destination MS happens or not there. Communication with the destination MS happens or not there, guys. Circuit breaker configuration is specific to what? Each rest operation method of what? Source or consumer MS. That means for every method you can configure circuit breaker. Or every method is one separate business method. Whenever that communicate with other business method of destination MS, if that particular communication fails, what is the fallback method you want to execute? We do that using what? At the rate circuit breaker annotation and using additional entries in what? Source MS property or what? YML file. That is nothing but application dot properties or what? YML. That is nothing but application dot properties or YML. Application dot properties are what? YML. Failure rate threshold. Configure failure rate threshold in percentage. If failure rate is equal or greater than threshold told, the circuit breaker transits transition to open and start short circuiting calls. The threshold must be greater than zero and not greater like must be greater than zero and not greater than 100. Default value is what? 50%. Like this, I kept explanation about all the things, guys. Okay. Sliding window size defines the size of sliding window used for calculating failure rate. It can be count based or time based. See, in the given time frame, number of requests are failed, or in the given number of requests are failed. So generally count based or time based. Minimum number of calls. Already I said default is what? 100. Minimum number of calls default because out of 100 calls comes and 100 calls destination not there, fallback method, destination there, destination execute. But in that one 50% failed, guys. Then circuit open and remaining story. Wait duration in open state. How much time the open state should be there? Okay, next. Permitted number of calls in what? Off open state. Permitted number of calls in what? Off open state. Are you getting my point there, guys? Permitted number of calls in off open state. Convinced with me, guys? Default is 10, but if you want, you can control that. Okay. So like this, we have to write the parameters. So many parameters. Are you going to type or are you going to get help from ChatGPT? Copy paste? No, we can do copy paste or we can get the similar values from what? ChatGPT also. We can get from similar values from ChatGPT. Fine, guys. Okay, now we can see circuit is open or closed by using actuator support. That means I am going to continue actuators plus circuit breaker. So I'm not going to take a new project, guys. In the existing project only, I mean to say, I'll take a copy of existing project. No need of having separate project for circuit breaker. Everything you should configure with respect to source, not with respect to destination. But first of all, I want you people to feel problem. Suppose circuit breaker is not implemented, how does it looks? I think already our microservices are in communication. Okay, right now, not actuator. Let's go for microservice in communication example. HTTP localhost 8761 8761 shopping cart MS. What MS, guys? Shopping cart MS. What is there? Shopping cart MS. Yeah, tell me now. 8081 shopping API 8081. What is there? Shopping API. Tell me what is next one. 8081 shopping API purchase. Purchase, not enough, Ra Babu. We have some parameters now. No, that is for destination. Na. I am giving source to destination. Slash purchase. Purchase or something. Na. Purchase only, na? Yeah, purchase. Tell me. Shirt. Shirt, comma, trouser. Comma. Next one. Okay. 2000, comma, 5000. 2000, comma, 5000. Discount is 10%, it seems. Communication is happening or not there? Right now, communication is happening. You refresh, refresh, refresh. Okay, this is the final amount is coming from destination. This is source. Both outputs together is coming. Okay, now I'll go to destination MS, guys. This is billing MS. Stop this. I stopped only billing MS, not all the things. Now go here, say refresh. Ugly messages are coming or not there? Ugly, dirty messages are coming or not? Source wants to talk with what? Destination. But destination is giving what? Ugly message. Is it okay for you? Is it okay for you? See, you got some inquiry or you got some requirement from others, but you cannot fulfill. You pass it to someone else, but that someone else can fulfill, but not responding. Every time telephone operator saying Grahak busy hai, Grahak out of coverage area, no network. Come on. This kind of messages are coming. Come on, guys. And then you'll feel good or you'll feel bad. And you forward as it is to opposite person. You forward as it is to what? Opposite person. It is good or bad? See, between you and your special, some problem is there. Let us assume. Okay? Yes, sir. What problem is there? Huh? Some problem is there, right? You approached the third one to solve the problem. So what that middleman done? Communicate with whatever error reply came, passed as it is. What happens, guys? Instead of solving the problem, it increases the problem or not there? Because this person said, I hate him. Passed as it is here. And then what happens? Gap continues, a gap decreases, increases. You know the English meanings? Fine. Okay. Now, fine. So instead of that, I have to pass some what? Non-technical messages are not there. Intelligent messages. What kind of intelligent messages? Maybe busy, not available. I also not got the time to talk. Aisa no na? Some, what is that? Some polished message you have to pass. But right now, polished message came or as it is came? As it is came. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Don't connect. Connect to MS microservice only. Fine. Okay. So I don't want this. For that one, we have to go for circuit breaker implementation. So let's see how much we can do today. We will do. Remaining things we will see tomorrow. Let's implement circuit breaker. Let's see what online students saying on this. Any queries from them? Circuit breaker is like a diversion board on highway. Diversion board on highway. No. Diversion board again connects to main route, na? No, that's not correct. Is like temporary closing. It's temporary closed. temporary closed board. After some time again you go and check. If open, you will go. If not open, what? You will go for other alternate route. Come on. It's temporary closed board. Sir, what is Resilience 4J? Is it in package? Mukul, Resilience 4J is a one starter, guys. You have to add it. When you add it, it will come. Resilience 4J is not a software, guys. No, sir, I am asking about traffic police barricades. Yeah, fine. That is also good. Ari, see, concept I have given. How you want to connect, you connect. If you are fighting with someone, connect with that fight. Okay. If you are fighting with what? If you are fighting with what? Office people, connect with office people. Okay. Okay. Now let me take copy of all these projects one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I need not to take admin server now, but I want to enjoy the GUI-ness of circuit breaker. I want to see circuit breaker open, closing in GUI environment. Yeah, all 8 are taken. So no need of creating separate project for circuit breaker, guys. It's not a software or server. In the source MS, I have to add extra things. Copy this, paste it. What is this, guys? 9. What English? English? How is your health? Good. Fine. Okay. MS09 Eureka server CB. Ayo. Smart MS. What is there? CB. Circuit breaker. Admin server CB. Billing MS CB. CB means chicken biryani, na? Chota villain. CB means chicken biryani, right? This shows how alert you are, worst fellow. Okay. Fine. Eat any biryani, no problem, but don't eat Kalyani biryani. It's a project number I have to change. Which one? I think this one, unselected ones, right? CB ones. Where CB is there, that 09. Next, where CB is there, that will make 09, guys. Where CB is there, that we make 09. Bihari, screen is front side. Screen is front side. Okay, 09. Where is CB? Next, 09, guys. This one. Arey, why are you looking back? Concentrate. I think all 5 came. Yeah. Okay. All the 5 came, guys. Okay. Now, I just implement circuit breaker, not all the things, just few things. I just want to check fallback method is executing or not. Fallback method is executing or not. Yeah, I think total only it will allow. So only fallback method, I don't think it will allow. Let me check. So go to shopping MS. Circuit breaker is pure source MS discussion. Shopping MS, keep everything as it is. Don't disturb anything old. Spring, guys, add starters, guys. Spring add starters. Resilience 4J. Resilience 4J. Earlier version heat streak. Now it is resilience 4J. Say next. Pom.xml finish. Yeah. Resilience 4J is added. Okay, fine. 1 minute. Right now, only one business method is there with us, right? Shopping cart operations. Shopping cart operations. On the top of it, at the rate circuit breaker. At the rate circuit breaker. What's happening? Missing attributes. Okay, fine. Understood. We have to mention name of the method. Nothing is there. Name shopping service. Source MS service instance. And fallback method, any method you can take. Any method name you can take. Source MS. I think I have taken source MS service ID is what? Shopping MS. What is there? Shopping MS. Application dot properties. Shopping cart MS. Okay, fine. Make sure that no spell mistakes, guys. Shopping cart operations. Shopping cart MS. Next. Ah, T is missing a yeah, fallback method. Yeah, tell me guys. Do billing. Do billing fallback. Any name I can take, I'm taking some meaningful name. Any name I can take, I'm taking some what? Meaningful name here. Are you getting my point there or not there, guys? Super. Yeah. Now I'm planning to develop one fallback method here. Everything same, guys. Exception is compulsory. Parameter is compulsory. Remaining everything is what? That's fine. No, you cannot use global exception. That is different, na? This is different. Because we mentioned that method is there. How can you take somewhere else? Public response entity. String only. I don't want to have other message. Or you what you can do, you can take one object and in that object you can pull the data. Yeah, do for billing fallback. Do billing fallback. Exception E. That's good. Exception E. Tell me. Do billing fallback. Exception E. I think no need of keeping anything. It's a just mention because it's not calling directly, na. Sys trace, trace. Return new response entity. Return new response entity. Return new response entity string. What is there? E dot get message. What is there? HTTP status dot internal server error. HTTP status dot internal server error. But here I will try to put Problem in communicating with a target MS. Problem in communicating with what? Target MS. That's good. Problem in communicating with what? Target MS. That's good. Yeah. Semicolon run, nothing is there. I'm not doing any half open, full open, no other parameter. I just want to try. Okay. If basic communication fail, fallback method is executing or not. Okay. But full implementation, fault tolerance, and other things we'll discuss later. We have to add so many entries in so many places. Okay. That's good. Why error? Why error? Where is error? Here is error. Yeah. This is unnecessarily one property came. Don't worry. Yeah. One property came. Remove that. Okay. Yeah. Our entire energy goes in starting the things, guys. Eureka server. No, I don't want write. I just want to check basic fallback is not happening or not. I just want to check. I never tried. I always tried with full-fledged circuit breaker only. So today time is not there. Na? I just want to check basic thing is happening or not. Config server, guys. com.nt. Done. Where is this? 9. 9. Save finish. Eureka server. Run as Java application. Then config server, guys. Run as Java application. Then admin server. Right click. Run as Java application. This is admin server. This is billing MS. This is billing MS. Tell me, this next one, admin server or not there? This is admin server. Then both microservices I have to start, guys. Yeah, billing MS. 9. See, just we are attempting. I have not implemented full-fledged circuit breaker. I'll implement that later, guys. Yeah, right click. Tell me, run as Java application. Shopping MS, guys. Say next. Say next. Save finish. Run as Java application. Let's see. Eureka server refresh. Only one server has come. Shopping MS not started. Why so? No, I think now is starting. It's 2 times I have started billing MS only. Yeah, now shopping MS also ready. Yeah, this is shopping MS, guys. Okay, tell me. 8081, this. Enter key. Communication is happening. This is cool. Now I'll go to billing MS. I'll stop the billing MS. This is billing MS. Stop. It's been stopped or not there. Clicking on send button. Okay, that means still what you get again technical message. That means it is still not recognizing fallback method until we configure full-fledged properties in what application dot properties. Okay, tomorrow when we meet, we configure what full-fledged properties in application dot properties, and we conclude circuit breaker concept. Because so many entries are there, we have to understand, we have to configure them. Today time does not permit to do that. Tomorrow we do it freshly. Okay, followed by circuit breaker, I will teach ELK stack. How to use ELK stack in Spring Boot application. Next, API gateway. What is there? API. And now adding all these things, one mini project. Adding all these facilities. I think long back you only asked what about actuators, sir? Understood what is actuators? All right. Fine. Where is this? Google Drive here. $11 o'clock.